I feel like
Never gonna do it anyway.
Well, I'm Roblox headquarters. I am still a landmark from San Mateo, CA, and my font is cable.
You're still logos. How could you be Roblox?
Aren't you copying Coliseum's fonts?
Can you hear me?
My voice is Lulu. So I'm a girl.
And I'm Xbox Series X. My font is basic and my voice is Joanne.
So real.
And I'm Wii U. My font is Rubik. And my voice is Sam.
And I'm Quack the Duck. I'm from Peep and the Big Wide World. And I'm a boy. And also my voice is Adel. And my font is funny cute.
I thought I'd say goddamn.
Xbox Live. My font is Bounce.
Oh god,
and my
I don't
voice
know
is
how I can do this,
Easy.
guys.
This is Kim glitching.
I just got a text of a picture of me from my webcam.
I'm feeling a bit unsettled.
I agree with my friend Kindmaster. Are you sure this is not scary video, Pablo?
Oh my god.
Why did the lights
Gonna find out.
I don't know.
Okay, then.
Why didn't I talk this whole time?
I know, right?
Oh no, bro, why are you copying my voice?
Chill the fuck out. Quack.
But I'm trying to figure it out.
No, I don't want to hear it. Be quiet and watch the video now.
I agree with Pablo.
Listen to
What's behind
Roblox
you?
and Sophia, you unlistenable.
Agree with you.
Bro, actual heck God for crying out loud hell was that? No!
I'm afraid of it.
I will not focus! Because it just went off on the top right! Shut up!
That didn't.
Chill,
That didn't
Pablo.
look fake.
Yeah, I agree with Molly Xbox.
Okay.
Something
says
isn't
here,
right
is your
about the girl
computer
in the
spasm?
lower right corner.
Oh,
Is yours?
IJL.
Listen.
Yeah. Something's definitely.
Oh, I can barely see the messages.
That's not me. So I am out of here. See you later.
Oh,
Bye.
Me too. Me 3, because of this scary video.
Me 4.
Me 5.
What?
Are you okay?
Oh wait, there's a person behind you.
What are you going?
The game is scaring me.
Yeah, agree.
Sam, come back!
And have other emotions other than sadness.
There's something behind you.
I feel like you're the last one standing and scaring us. I just want to cry.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide! Saying nitrogen monoxide!
And I'm about to cry
I
too.
freaking agree.
Why are you laughing? It's not funny. Agree with Big Bud.
If you won't stop laughing, we're going to send you to the Paramount DVD logo from 2003 to 2019. My voice!
Fine.
I knew it! You are not Sophia! You are an old man just like Andrew Skinner!
Oh no, Quack, if this is a
I
scary
swear if
video,
you scare us,
I said no.
Oh! My freaking God!
I said no more. Stop showing the cat.